Hello, I'm Matt. I'm a drain tech with Logan Services. And today we're here to talk about the difference between a mainline clog and a branch line clog. So the big difference between a mainline clog and a branch line clog is your branch lines are going to be any of your faucets, your tubs, your showers, and your mains are going to be pretty much primarily your toilets that are on your mains. Main lines should typically never clog up, but if any type of foreign debris is introduced into the system, it can clog it. What we mean by foreign debris is we're talking about your wipes. You got any type of like feminine hygiene products, little kids flush toys down your toilet. Those will clog it up. What will also clog up the main line is roots. Your branch lines, they can get clogged up with about anything because they are on smaller pipes. Um, Hair, lint, anything from that will clog those up. So to safely unclog like a branch line, you could use, we recommend BioOne. It's a enzyme-based cleaner. Most things can be handled by yourself, but if you do notice that the clog is reoccurring, you can't get it clear, that is the time you want to reach out to us.